so much more.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you.
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh!
Fucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that thing, bitches on my line, and you know.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Ruveda. The last three number of NPM 071.
My name is Aurellia Zaini Sya'bania Putri. The last NPM 053.
My name is Soni Wicaksono. 3 last NPM 050.
Here we will discuss project-based learning with the theme of showing the direction of place and giving opinion about an object with the theme of Mount Andong.
Hey, have you guys ever been to Mount Andong near Praga? I heard it's a great hiking spot with amazing view.
No, I haven't been there yet, but I have a lot of good things about it. Do you know how to get there?
Yeah, I've been there a couple of times. It's not too difficult to find. You need to head south from Magelang and follow the sea to Borobudur Temple. Once you reach Borobudur, you can continue driving until you see the sign for Mount Andong. From there, it's just a short drive to the trail.
Wow, I can wait to experience that. Are there any specific viewpoints or spot we shouldn't go?
Oh, definitely. When you reach the summit, make sure to head to eastern side. There's Rocky Hope that offers the best view of the sunrise. It's a popular spot for photographers, and if you hike further along the trail, you'll come across a viewpoint overlooking the lush green rice village. It's a peaceful and serene sight.
That sounds amazing. I love capturing beautiful landscape with my camera. I'm definitely bringing it along for this hike.
That's great idea, Rel. You have plenty of opportunities to take stunning photos. Just make sure to bring some snacks and water, as there are no food stalls or shops along the trail. It's a good idea to pack light but essential items.
Thanks for the advice. I'll make sure to prepare according. By the way, how long does it take to complete the hike?
The hike usually takes around 2 to 3 hours, depending on your pace and how many breaks you take. It's a relatively short hike, so you'll have plenty of time to enjoy the views and take photos.
That's manageable. We should plan to start early in the morning so that we can catch the sunrise.
That's a great plan, Farah. The sunrise from the summit is absolutely stunning. It's definitely worth waking up early for.
I'm really excited about this trip. Thanks for sharing all the details, Zol. It sounds like adventure we won't forget.
You're welcome, son. I'm glad I could help. I'm sure you'll have a fantastic time at Mount Andong. Don't forget to take some deep breaths and soak in the beauty of nature when you reach the top.
Absolutely, it's going to be an unforgettable experience. Let's make sure to take lots of pictures and great memories together.
Sound like a plan, Rel. Let's make the trip of Mount Andong a memorable one. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
thoughts, smooth walk, word that thing. Bitches on my line, bring it back, make it clap. I got